Yo, what's up everybody? I just want to bring you a quick video on a technique called panoramic portraits. Now, why and what is a panoramic portrait? First, what is it? Well, it is a way you can stitch two photos together to get one photo. Well, that you already know about panoramas. So we're going to do that with portraits. Now with the new Lightroom update, it's easier than ever to do. So it's actually usable, and that means you can get away with this panoramic portrait trick, bring it into Lightroom, and with about 2 or 3 clicks, have a panoramic portrait ready to go. Why would you want to do this? Well, say you wanted a shallower depth of field than the lens that you have can give you. So here, we'll just take a look at these two photos really quick so you can see what I am talking about. So let's compare the two of them. So one on my left is a panoramic portrait, one on my right is a regular photo. Now, both shot at 85, but you can see in the background the bokeh and how the background is rendering here versus here. This is a little more creamier. Again, this backdrop is not the prettiest, so it's come up. It's a really busy backdrop actually. It's all this shit that's on my table. Here you can see the black outline of the water bottle. Here you really can't. So you do get a little bit more creamier bokeh out of even a 1.8 lens, and you can see that the amount of things that are in focus compared to this one is a little bit different. So let me just, there we go. So this versus this. And also this will give you a larger file. So you can get a photo that is almost twice the megapixel of your sensor size. So those are some advantages of doing a panoramic portrait. So you get a creamier bokeh, and you can get even smaller depth of field than your 1.8 or 1.2 lens can offer you. And once you put the two pictures together, the angle of view looks almost like, from an 85 it looks like a 50, and therefore it kind of, you're tricking and getting like a larger sensor because you're taking two pictures and stitching it together. So yeah, it's kind of like having a medium format portrait but without a medium format camera. So it's kind of cool. But before, you would have to take two of these photos into Photoshop, so this one and this one, into Photoshop and merge them together. But now you don't have to. All you got to do is just select the two, right at the bottom here, and then go to Photo Merge, Panorama. Pick the cylindrical option because perspective squishes it, spherical squish it a little bit more, cylindrical keeps the two together. And if you want, you can press auto settings. I'll do the auto settings. I don't want to. You could also do auto crop if you want to or not. I like auto crop, it just makes life easier. And then you hit merge. Once you hit merge, you will get a merged DNG file, and because it's a raw file and it's just a digital negative, you can edit it just like naturally how you would do with a regular photo. So you can pick your editing and go to town. So there you have it, guys. It's quite an easy way of making a really cool looking like a very much like a, oh, whoa, let's not do that. There we go. Ooh, that looks really nice. Sorry, I've just gone right into editing this photo and lost my train of thought there. What do you think? Looks good? All right, I like that. So maybe what we could do is we can put the same edit on this one and see how they compare. Yeah, you can tell how this is a little bit softer around the edges, and it just has that medium format look that I enjoy. I like it. It's very subtle. It gives you a cool effect. I hope you guys try it. So all you got to do is take one half of a photo and then the other half, and you'll have a panorama. So you do this one, and then you do this one, and you stitch it together. Any questions? Let me know. Talk soon. Bye.